Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. Here's what's coming up next week on the Sewing Room channel. On Monday, I'll show you how to use border fabric like this to make a bib apron. On Tuesday, I have 5 of these quilt blocks to give away to one lucky winner. On Wednesday is the tip of the week and it's all about hemming stitches. On Friday, I'm going to show you a lot of different clothing projects that you can make. If you're interested in other beginner sewing projects, check below your YouTube screen for those video links. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.